Today is a big day for SICK, one that represents a major milestone for our organization and for the customers and communities we serve. This ribbon cutting is a moment to pause, recognize what it took to get there, and get excited about what comes next. It still amazes me that just under 2 years ago, we stood for the groundbreaking ceremony with excavators in the background. Now, this important foundational element to our SICK North America headquarters stands behind me, flourishing. As we mark 5 decades in the United States, I'm reminded that our story isn't just about technology we create, it's about the impact it makes, where we show up, and why we do what we do.
Because moments like this, they don't happen by accident. They happen because people and organizations come together around a shared vision. Congratulations to SICK, not only for this campus, but this incredible building and for 50 years in the United States. It's a remarkable milestone. And it reflects something very important, that long-term success is built through strong relationships, smart investments, great leadership, and a willingness to collaborate. SICK's commitment to innovation, advanced technology, research is helping drive Bloomington and our region forward.
We are able to be reunited on one campus here in Minnesota, which is amazing, as when we're going between buildings, some of it was disturbed at times, so it's great to be here. We added 140,000 square feet of space here to our already 140,000 square feet of production. We also added a 550 space, 6-story parking structure, a project completed in under 2 years, the largest facility investment for SICK globally. We have geothermal wells, a new work concept, which is shared spaces as our employees work together, an amazing 4-story atrium that lets daylight in consistently. But more importantly, a gathering area for our employees, our customers, industry expert partners, and anyone else that can find their way here to Minnesota.
North America is a major growth market for us, and with USA being the vibrant center for innovation, entrepreneurship, and key customer relationships for SICK globally. We're proud to be a member of this vibrant business community of the City of Bloomington and the state of Minnesota. We've been here for a long time, we're gonna stay for a long time. Our solutions improve the competitiveness of American manufacturing and logistics operations and enable the reindustrialization and job creation here in the USA. Today, we're proud to confirm our commitment to innovation, growth, and partnerships in North America with this expansion of our campus here. A lot of our solutions have been innovated in the building you can see over there. We are actively defining the future with our technology. Thank you to all of you who are here today for making this expansion become real and for creating this amazing place, this irresistible force together.
This campus brings people together. It creates space for exchange, for learning, and for new ideas. It also is a place where we open our doors, where customers and partners experience what we do, where we experiment, we train, we explore solutions together. And something quite simple yet powerful happens in such a place. People meet, they share perspectives, they build understanding, and from that, good ideas emerge. Moments like today are created by people, by their commitment, their energy, and their confidence in what they build together.
It makes me really proud because I've always had a special connection with this site since I worked here and visited many board meetings in the past, and I've always pushed for these new facilities in the supervisory board. Since the opening of phase 1 at the end of 2022, this facility has grown into a real hub for the Americas and a major pillar in our international strategy for growth. While SICK's roots obviously have always remained and will remain in Germany, global markets are essential for our joint success. We are very positive that the American market will have a lot of opportunities in the future. It was only logical to build up the complete footprint here in the US, from supply chain via production to fulfillment. My grandfather was an inventor by heart. That's how he founded the company. And it makes me proud to see how his mindset and his culture is still reflected and drive our company all around the world, and certainly also here in Bloomington. He would have loved to be here with us today, to see the spirit and the great work that is being done here day by day and us still being a family business.
As we celebrate 50 years in the United States and reflect on how it all started here in Minnesota, we look ahead to the next 50 years with the utmost confidence. Our best work isn't behind us, it's still in front of us. Thank you.